Do you want a brighter, whiter smile? Many people do, but most times they don't know which dental procedure is right for them, whether it is teeth cleaning or teeth whitening. Hi, I'm Dr. Neye, and in this video, I'll be explaining the difference between teeth cleaning and teeth whitening so that you can know which option is best for you. Teeth cleaning, also known as dental prophylaxis, is a procedure that is done to remove accumulated plaque and tartar from your teeth. Dental plaque and tartar can build up on your teeth over time, even with regular brushing and flossing. If dental plaque and tartar are not removed frequently, they can eventually predispose you to gum disease. During your teeth cleaning procedure, your dentist or your dental hygienist will make use of special tools. We call them ultrasonic scalers. This helps to loosen up the accumulated plaque and calculus or tartar that have accumulated around your teeth so that you can take them off and have healthy gums. It is recommended that you have your teeth cleaned professionally every 6 months, which is twice a year. So when last did you have your teeth cleaned? Let me know in the comment section. Teeth whitening, on the other hand, is a cosmetic procedure that helps to lighten or brighten the color of your teeth. Your teeth can become stained over time from smoking, drinking tea or coffee, or even eating certain foods. Teeth whitening can help to remove these stains, eventually giving you a whiter smile. There are two main types of teeth whitening options. You have the in-office teeth whitening option, or what we call the professional teeth whitening option, and you have the take-home or do-it-yourself option. The in-office teeth whitening option is done at the dental clinic and is performed by your dentist. This is the strongest type of teeth whitening option available because you get a faster result, usually within an hour. The take-home whitening option will include over-the-counter products like your teeth whitening strips and gels, and this effect actually takes about 2 weeks to become visible. The result of your teeth whitening process will actually depend on the individual, that is the existing shade of your teeth and the type of teeth whitening product used. But in general, regardless of the teeth whitening option that you choose to use, you will definitely see a visible result. Note: if your oral hygiene is not up to par, is not optimum, you will definitely need to have teeth cleaning procedure done prior to teeth whitening. So take note. So which of these have you done? Teeth cleaning, teeth whitening, or both? How was your experience? Let me know in the comments. In summary, teeth cleaning and teeth whitening are two extremely different procedures. Teeth cleaning being a preventive dental treatment where you remove plaque and calculus to prevent gum disease, while teeth whitening being a cosmetic procedure that gives you whiter set of teeth. If you are not sure which dental procedure is right for you, you need to talk to your dentist. They will do a proper assessment and then recommend the right treatment for you. So there you have it, everything you need to know about teeth cleaning and teeth whitening. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe so that I can get more dental tips, and I'll see you in the next video.